Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we will study about let's. What is let's? Yes, let's plus v1 plus object, or in negative let's plus not plus v1 plus object. How to use it? Let's see. Let's go to play. When you plan to go somewhere, let's go to play. Let's go to watch movie. Let's go to play cricket. Let's go to watch Singham movie. Let's go to watch Brahmastra movie. We use things like this. Like when you have to use in negative, like let's not fight. Let's not waste our time. Please use the transcript if you're watching my video, because there you will get these sentences, whatever I'm speaking, in written form, and you will be able to do the practice of that. Please repeat these sentences after me so that you will be able to learn English. Okay? So because it will be your mind and your tongue will be in the habit of speaking English, after that you will be able to learn English. There is no mantra, there is no secret of learning English. This is something that you need to do, practice, that is it. Let's play football. Let's talk to teacher. Let's talk to my teacher. Like let's live. Let's get up now. Let's study now. Let's work hard now. Let's earn money now. Like you can say, let's not think so much. Let's not think about him. Let's not think about money. Let's not think about that person. Let's not think about that movie. Let's not think about that incident. Something happens in our life, when something is bad, then we can say let's not think about that incident, because that is so sad, right? Like we say, let's not play football, let's play cricket. Let's not watch cricket, let's watch a movie. We can say let's not watch cricket, let's see a movie. Sorry, let's not watch cricket, let's watch a movie. Let's go there. Let's not go there. Let's go to Delhi. Let's go to Delhi. Let's go to Punjab. Let's not go to Tamil Nadu. Let's go to Kashmir. Let's not go to Goa. Let's go to Gujarat. So we can see. Okay. Let's go to vote. Let's go to vote. Let's make a YouTube channel. Let's make videos. Let's make an app, right? So we can use things like this, and believe me, you should also use these things. You should also make a lot of sentences, like you can change the verb in everything, and you need to practice whatever the sentences you use in your everyday life. Then you can use that. Like in some people where they like in the place of Mirzapur, the story you have seen, like let's kill him, let's shoot him, let's cut his throat. So they can do this. So whatever the things you like, when you are a good family, then you can say let's worship the God. Let's touch the feet of our parents every day. Let's wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day. Let's study. Let's see the videos of G for Gitesh every day. You can see this. You can say this. You can say this. Let's work hard. Let's work hard for our examination. Let's work hard for our test. Let's not waste our time. This is the time of examination. Let's not waste our time. Let's study. Let's not wander here and there. Sit in the classroom. Our teacher said in the school, let's not wander here and there, sit in the classroom. Let's not sleep tonight, let's watch a movie tonight. Let's plant a tree. Like I see here and there, whatever the things in my room, I see there and make sentences. You can do this also. Or you can sit somewhere, you can make sentences, and believe me, when you will keep speaking things, then one day it will come where whatever you will be, that will be in your control. You will be only those things those are in control, those you want to speak. So for this you need to speak first, you need to practice the structure of English first, and it will give you the confidence of speaking. Okay, so try to do it. Like you can say, let's not think so much about it, let's not remember him, let's not remember that day. You can say, let's celebrate Saraswati Puja in our school, college. We make plan, let's celebrate Saraswati Puja this year. Let's when in a new year we go on picnic, then we can say let's go to picnic. Let's go to a mountain. Our near in our district there is Mandaril, then we say let's go to Mandaril on 1st of January. Let's go to Mandaril on 24. Let's go to Mandaril on 14th of January. That is Makar Sankranti, and there is a huge gathering there. So we say let's go to Mandaril. Let's not waste our energy. Let's go to play cricket. Right? Let's go to play cricket there. Let's not go to play cricket there. Let's go there. Okay. Let's not wake up in the morning. We will wake up late. Right? We can use these sentences like this. Okay. Like we can say, like let's not switch on the. Like we can say, let's not run. Let's walk slowly. Let's not go by bike, let's go by car. Let's not go by train, let's go by aeroplane. Let's not go to granny's house, let's go to sister's house. If your sister is married somewhere, then you can say let's not go to granny's house. Let's not go to granny's house, let's go to sister's house. Right? You can use these sentences like this, and believe me, this will help you a lot in speaking. Let's fix this problem. Let's not vex him. Let's not disturb him. Let's not disturb her. Let her study. We can say let her study. Let's not disturb her. Let them go there. Let them go. Let them go. Let them learn. Let them learn English. Let them do practice. Let's not think so much. So you can use these sentences, and believe me, if you practice these sentences, this will help you amazingly. It will make you able to speak English, and believe me, this can make miracle for you. And it is not that much hard to learn how to speak English, and I believe you understand this and you practice these sentences. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video with a new structure. Till then, take care. Bye bye.